Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a very moisturizing butter that is not only great for your hair but also great for your skin. If you are interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So for the first part of this recipe, I'm going to be preparing the sea moss gel. Now you could purchase sea moss gel already prepared, but I love a good DIY project. So I'm just going to be making the sea moss gel myself using some sea moss that I got off of Amazon. I will leave all the ingredients and links to everything down in the description box. So first I'm going to go ahead and wash off the sea moss. It has like a lot of salt on it, so I'm just going to rinse it off, and also I'm just going to go through the sea moss just to make sure that it doesn't have any type of debris on it. As you can see in this clip, I'm just going to pick off any debris or anything that just doesn't seem to look right. I'm going to rinse the sea moss 3 times just to make sure that it's clean. And the reason why I'm using sea moss is because sea moss has a lot of great benefits. One of those being that it encourages a healthy scalp and also encourages a healthy environment for your hair to grow. And also sea moss provides most of the vitamins as well as nutrients that our body needs on a daily basis in order to be healthy. So now that the sea moss is all clean, I'm going to place it into another bowl, and I'm going to fill up the bowl with some spring water and let it sit overnight. So by letting the sea moss sit overnight, we're allowing the water to rehydrate the sea moss, and it should double up in size as well as allow the sea moss to soften up. So it is now the next day, and I'm going to be boiling the sea moss. So I've added the sea moss into a pan with some fresh spring water, and I'm going to boil it for about 10 to 15 minutes on medium heat. So once the sea moss starts to basically kind of look like it's melted or like it's giving a jelly-like consistency, that's when it's done, and I'm just going to remove it from the heat. So now I'm just going to take the sea moss and put it in a blender so I can make the sea moss gel. After I'm done blending the sea moss, I'm just going to go ahead and put it through a sieve just to make sure there's no like chunky pieces of sea moss in the gel. And I'm just going to put it into a mason jar and wait till it cools down, and then I'll just place it into the refrigerator. Okay, now it's time to actually make the butter. So what you're gonna need for this butter is I have 2 tablespoons of pure apricot oil. I also have 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, and then I also have 2 tablespoons of sweet almond oil. And then in the back, I have a 1/4 cup of sea moss gel, as well as a 1/4 cup of aloe vera gel. And in the measuring cup, I have shea butter and cocoa butter. So the base of this butter is going to be the shea and cocoa butter, and cocoa butter has healing and softening properties that will make your hair healthy and shiny. And shea butter also helps to regenerate hair follicles, providing a better environment for healthy hair growth. Also, shea butter can help to reduce hair breakage, split ends, and improve the shine and bounce of your hair. So I wanted to make sure I had exactly 1 cup of butter. So what I did was I added pieces of shea butter and cocoa butter into the cup, and then I went ahead and put it in the microwave and melted it down, and it ended up being like 1/2 cup. So I went ahead and added some more pieces of shea and cocoa butter into the measuring cup, and then I put it back into the microwave. Now, most people don't like to melt their butters in the microwave, but for me, I didn't feel like doing the double boiler method, but you can do that if you want to. And I want to say I did like 3/4 cup of shea butter, and then I did like 1/4 cup of cocoa butter. And now I'm just going to take the melted butter and I'm going to add it into a bowl. And then I'll be adding the oils into the butter. And by using avocado oil is one of the few oils that can actually penetrate your hair shaft and moisturize your hair rather than sitting on top and coating your hair. The fats found in avocado oil help to strengthen the hair shaft and help prevent breakage. And by using apricot oil contains fatty acids that help control and keep your hair moisturized as well as your scalp and skin. And lastly, sweet almond oil can improve blood circulation, promote stronger, thicker, and healthier hair. The vitamin E naturally found in sweet almond oil is known to aid in hair growth. So now that I've added all the oils and the butters together, I'm just going to place the bowl into the freezer for about an hour to an hour and a half. So now I've removed the butter from the freezer, and I'm going to be adding my final ingredients to the butter, which is going to be the aloe vera gel and the sea moss gel. Also, I'm going to add a tablespoon of arrowroot powder, and the arrowroot powder is going to help thicken up the butter as well as allow the butter to absorb into your skin a lot faster, and it makes the butter less greasy. And then I'm going to add a tablespoon of preservative. And I almost forgot, I did add a few drops of lavender oil to the butter as well. Now that I have all my ingredients into the bowl, I'm just going to take the whisk attachment to my mixer, and I'm just going to blend the mixture until I get the buttery consistency that I'm looking for. So now the butter is all done. I'm just going to place it into an empty container, and just make sure that you keep the butter in a nice cool area of your home. And also, since you added a preservative into it, the butter should last a good 2 to 3 months and does not have to be placed into the refrigerator. So I really love this butter combination. I mainly use it as a body butter. It really keeps my skin moisturized throughout the entire day. And if you're suffering from dark spots, this butter really helps with dark spots, hyperpigmentation. If you're dealing with dry skin, this helps with that as well. So I really love using this butter, and this butter is also great for your hair as well. So I'm just demonstrating like how I would use it on my hair. If I use it on my hair, I would just mainly focus it on my scalp, and then like if my hair was actually out, I would also use it on the ends of my hair as well. And like I said, I mainly use it as a body butter, but you can use it as a hair butter as well. It's really moisturizing. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.